Hi guys, welcome back. In today's episode I'm gonna show you how to install Filelinked on your Amazon Fire Stick. I'm gonna use Amazon Fire Stick 4K for video purpose, and I'm gonna show you this way by using the downloader. Of course I'm gonna show you how to do it step by step, so just follow my steps and you will have your Filelinked on your Fire Stick device. First thing you gotta do, on the top menu you keep pressing the right button till you go to settings, and you go once down and then all the way on the right till you find My Fire TV. Then you press OK on it. You go once down to developer options, press OK, and then change ADB debugging from off to on, and then apps from unknown sources from off to on. But when you press OK button like I'm doing now, you will see this notification. Don't worry about it, just press OK again. And then by pressing the home button, going back to this, and then pressing just once left, and then go down and start tapping in downloader. When you put like 3 or 4 letters, you can see downloader right down there. So I'm gonna press a few times down till I highlight it. You see downloader, press OK on it, and then you go to that orange icon saying downloader and the arrow pointed down. Go down, press OK on it, and then without touching anything or pressing anything, you can see download. It says I own it. If you do it for the first time, you probably will say get it or something like that. So this is still the same way, just might say something different. So just press OK and we'll start downloading and then installing. When you've done it, just press OK again, and you will see this. Every time you install a new app on your Fire Stick device or Fire Stick, it will ask you to allow access to your Fire Stick or Fire device. So you have to, even if this is something different than downloader, it will always ask you for the first time you open it. So you gotta press allow, press OK, and then you see this. This is like a manual. So just press OK on it, and then now you see the cursor flashing. Just keep pressing the arrow, the left till you be on a orange background, and then go down to settings, press OK, and then go right, and then when you see enable JavaScript, if it's not marked like that, it's unmarked, then press OK on it, and then you will see this. Don't worry about it, just go on yes, press OK, and now your downloader is configured. So what you gotta do, just press your home button and then open it again, but you don't need to do it. So just go back left and then go up to home, press OK, and then press OK again, and delete till you be by there, HTTP, and then add S to it, and then colon // .com. When you got that link tapped in, yeah, you can pause it now. The link will be in the description anyway. And you hit go. Press it, and then it will open a Filelinked website. You can see that red pointer. Yeah, you're just using it by pressing the arrows. So just go down to download Filelinked and then press OK, and we'll start downloading. And now we'll ask you, do you want to install it? So what you just do, just press right and then OK, and then it will install it. And now you can just press done or open. If you press open, it will open. But what I want you to do now, just press OK on done. And this window is asking you what you want to do with installation file. So just go on delete, press OK, and then go on delete again and press OK. And the file which was downloaded will be deleted. That will save you some space. And now, just pressing a home button. You can find Filelinked by going not to the recent, to your apps and channels. Go all the way right till you see all. You press OK on it. And then when you go all the way down, you see your Filelinked. You can open it. Or the other way, just keep pressing the home button for about 3 or 4 seconds and then pressing OK on apps. And then going down till you find it, press OK. It will open your Filelinked. And now you just need a code and a pin. And then that's it. Thanks for watching, guys. Subscribe me and then I'll make some more simple videos for you. Thank you very much and see you in the next video.